Hi, I'm Dr. Prabhakar Koregol from Fortis Hospital, Cunningham Road. Wishing you all a very healthy heart on this occasion of World Heart Day. Hope you are taking care of your heart by taking your medicines regularly, doing your exercise as needed, and following the diet and other advices as has been advised to you. Wishing you a healthy heart.
Hi, I'm Dr. Keshava R, cardiologist, Fortis Hospital, Cunningham Road. On the World Heart Day, I ask all of you to take care of your heart and take care of all the risk factors. In this corona epidemic, the high stress on the personal health front and economic front, it's all more important that you take care of your heart by taking care of the risk factors. So avoid smoking, exercise regularly, and keep social distancing while exercising. Take care of your blood pressure, take care of your sugars and cholesterol, and stay healthy. That is more important because the current level of stress because of the current pandemic is very high on the personal front, social front, and the financial front. So it's all the more important that you take care of your heart by taking care of all the risk factors.
Hi, I am Dr. Gopi, consultant cardiologist at Fortis Hospital, Cunningham Road. Now, the COVID-19 pandemic has changed our life in unimaginable ways. One of the fallout of this has been that people with regular heart diseases are afraid to go to hospital to seek medical care. The theme for this year's World Heart Day is Use Heart to Beat Heart. So what do we mean by this? So it means use our heart for the society, for our loved ones, and for ourselves. So how do we do this? As an individual, start leading a heart healthy life, understand what it takes, and act accordingly. Then set an example for your loved ones, for your co-workers, and your employees. In addition, try and act beyond self to help the most vulnerable people in society to meet their needs in whichever way you can, and thus make a difference to everybody around you.
Today on the World Heart Day, as part of the World Heart Day, I'm just going to discuss about how corona is affecting our life and how it can affect the heart patients also. Now, the other question which is commonly asked is whether COVID infection or corona infection will lead to heart attack. Does it cause heart attack on its own? Yes. COVID infection causes a generalized inflammatory response in the body. Because of this inflammation, there can be rupture of plaque inside the arteries and it can lead to heart attacks. Along with this, there is increased risk of blood clotting in your arteries, that is called thrombosis. So this plaque rupture because of inflammation and blood clotting both increase the risk of developing heart attack. So if you have a corona infection or if you have recovered from a corona infection in the recent past, and if you develop any symptoms of chest pain, breathlessness or sweating, you have to suspect a heart attack and you have to reach the hospital as early as possible. Now, how you can lead a heart healthy lifestyle in this in the background of corona? Because of work from home, a lot of people have no exercise at all. Exercise regularly. So how do we exercise? So you can have a static cycle at home, you can have a treadmill at home, or you can even walk in your balcony, in your corridor, in your garden. Unhealthy food which can increase the chances of developing heart attack. So how do we deal with that? So you need to reduce the intake of this junk food, particularly fried items and oily food, which are high calorie but which can at the same time which is not good for your heart. So eat regularly but make sure you eat a healthy diet. So consume more amount of fruits, consume more amount of vegetables, try to consume more whole grain food instead of processed food. Try to avoid high calorie, high cholesterol, non-vegetarian food. Avoid the deep fried items as much as possible.